Welcome friends. Today I shall going to discuss about various thermodynamic processes. So first of all is isothermal process. What is isothermal process? We all know a process in which temperature remains constant is called isothermal process. Temperature remains constant. Okay. We also know that it is a very slow process where Boyle's law holds good. That means PV equals to constant. This law holds good and it is a very slow process. Another property of isothermal process is that in this process there is no change in internal energy, that is du is equal to 0. Okay. The second process is adiabatic process. Adiabatic process. What is adiabatic process? We all know that a process in which there is no exchange of heat energy between system and surroundings is called adiabatic process. And we all know from second law of thermodynamics that ds, change in entropy, this is equal to dq by t. And in isothermal process there is no exchange of heat between system and surroundings, so dq is 0, so ds is 0, that means s remains constant. So we see that in adiabatic process entropy remains constant. Okay, entropy remains constant. It is a very faster process where P into V to the power gamma equal to constant. This relation holds good. P into V to the power gamma equal to constant. This holds good. What is gamma? Gamma is the ratio of two specific heats, that is Cp by Cv. Ratio of two molar specific heats. Okay. Another process is that isobaric process. What is isobaric process? A isobaric process is one in which pressure of the system remains constant. Pressure remains constant. But volume may change. Is called isobaric process. Is called isobaric process. Now another process is isochoric process. What is it? What do we usually mean by isochoric process? That is a process in which volume remains constant but pressure may change. Volume remains constant but pressure may change. Okay, this is called isochoric process. Another process is that isenthalpic process. Isenthalpic process. What is isenthalpic process? A process in which enthalpy of the system remains constant. Enthalpy of the system remains constant. This is called isenthalpic process. And one of the best example of isenthalpic process is the Joule Thomson effect, that is Joule Thomson process. It is an isenthalpic process where enthalpy remains constant, and we all know what is enthalpy. Enthalpy is nothing but U plus PV, that is internal energy plus pressure into volume. This is the enthalpy. Okay, thank you.